Good morning. Alright, so we had Nvidia reporting earnings, which really not much happened. I mean, we did have a spike down, then moved up a little, moved down a little, but came back right to the middle. And now we have no catalyst. We have strong resistance here at that 6500 on SPX. So I want to see a move back and move up to that target, and then see if we can fail to keep moving higher and then come back to that 6480 point of control. That would be a nice trade. But for now, probably gonna continue drifting higher. We'll see what happens now that the market's digesting Nvidia's earnings. But in order to move above that 6500, I think we're gonna need some other catalyst, which I don't know if there's anything coming up that could be strong enough to break that level and then cause a little bit of a squeeze. That 6505, I'm sorry, on SPX is where the JPM color is, so that's a strong resistance. Looking for a drift higher, making new highs, and see what happens there at those areas. Now, if we're opening inside value, but if we start drifting lower, I'm gonna see if there's an opportunity to short to that 6480. Here we have a good risk reward, but we've been pushing higher pretty much since yesterday after Nvidia. You see how we had this spike down, and then we're just making new highs, new low, higher highs, higher lows. So trend now is higher, so I don't want to short until I don't see a shift. But that's still it's a good risk reward from here with a stop above this area. But that's pretty much it for today. I'm looking at this distribution. Failure to continue higher. Magnet is at 6480, but if we break higher, if we break above, with strong volume, with strong deltas, volatility coming down, which I don't know how much lower it can go because it's pretty low right now, then we could see a little bit of a squeeze, but I will be careful chasing that because of that strong resistance on SPX. Let's see what else. Nvidia, NQ, Nasdaq, has this area which has been putting a lot of volume. You see all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6th session in this area. So breaking above, the target is still here at 23,755. And then we have in order to get us to all-time highs, we still have a lot to go, because Nvidia has been very weak coming into today. So let's see what happens today. But we're trading in this distribution right now. We're in balance. So we have to see if we break balance to either way, either to the upper side or to the bottom of this range, and then clean up these single prints. Crude got back above that low volume area. So the target above is 64.40 and then 64.70, and then gold is still moving higher. I spoke about this this area the other day. Now we're trading right there. Now we're hitting resistance. If we break above this highs, watch for 34.90 as the next target. That's a little bit of high volume node there, and then we have some another 100 points for new all-time high. So I don't think we're gonna get there today, but this trend is higher obviously. If it fails to hold this area, then looking to get a retest of this lower of distribution down here, and the magnet here is still at 3380 84. So watch that area if indicates that we see gold dropping. Let's see, what else do we have today? We do have some news, but nothing major. White House press briefing at 1 p.m. and 7-year auction at 1 p.m. And tomorrow we have PCE and University of Michigan. We have end of month flows, and Monday is a US holiday, so there's no market. So usually end of month are bullish, so watch for more upside for today and tomorrow. All right, good luck.